Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how easy it is to do this beautiful ombre French tip design. If you're interested, then keep on watching. So I'm starting with my nails already shaped and buffed and ready for design application. For this design I will be using pigmented gel paints, and if you don't have gel paints you can try gel polishes instead. Today we will be using technique called one stroke. With this technique you can paint about anything really: flowers, butterflies, dragons, abstract art and so on. The main goal is to use multiple colors, blend them together and paint in one stroke. For this technique you will want to use flat or angled brush. I chose flat brush because it was the most comfortable to me. And also keep in mind that the longer nails are, the bigger brush you will want to use. It's just easier that way. So first of all, I will be dipping one side of the brush into my main color, which is white. And with the other side of the brush I will dip into my secondary color, which is bluish purple. Now we really want to blend these two colors together. The better you blend them, the better your stroke will be. I'm missing a bit of paint here, so I will dip my brush into gel paints a bit more. You want these two colors to meet each other without any gaps. I'm starting from top and gently navigating my brush to bottom and to the right side. Your whole brush needs to lay on the nail. Repeat the same process on the right side and then connect these two strokes and blend them together. Don't worry about imperfections now. With ring and middle finger, I decided to mix things up a bit. Now my main color is purple and secondary white. Since white color is almost non-existent, I add a bit more of it and blend it together. I repeat the same process all over again until it satisfies me. It gets better, easier, and faster with every nail. Patience is the key. With second layer, we can fix our mistakes, make colors pop even more, and perfect overall look. For defining smile line, I'm using white gel paint and long liner brush. For fixing small mistakes, I'm using angled brush and acetone. So this is how it looks without any additional decorating. You could leave it as it is, just apply gel top coat and you're ready to go. But I decided to go further. On all of the nails, I will apply mermaid chrome powder. After powder application, clean the excess and file just a little bit the sides and free edge of the nail to avoid chipping of the gel top coat. To make sure that my top coat won't chip off, I will apply clear builder gel on the tip of the nails. I also decided to add crystals on ring and middle finger, so I am applying a thick jelly gel for crystals, and on top of it I am applying no wipe gel top coat. And at last, apply no wipe gel top coat on remaining nails. And that's the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye!